Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can do the formation in Virginia LLC, right? Very easily. So to form an LLC in Virginia, the process is straightforward and it can be completed in few steps, which I will show you, and I will also guide you which where you have to go, which option you have to choose, each and everything, right? The first thing you have to do that choose a name for your LLC. The name must comply with Virginia naming requirement, including the inclusion of limited liability company, that is LLC, right? Use the Virginia Business Entity search tool to ensure your desired name is available. Now, how we will do this? We'll just go to Google, right? So let's go to Google here, and you can just go here. We will just write here Virginia Business Entity, and you will get a lot of website, and this is official, you can see .gov. Don't mind my spelling mistakes here. And once you click on it, now here you can just click on select one, so you can just check for that which name is available for you. You can just type your entity name, your entity name, ID, entity ID and everything, and you can just go and click on make an account. You will able to check each and every information here, right? Now this is really interesting. Now you can also do a designated a register agent, right? A register agent is responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of LLC, and they will help you act as an individual resident or a business entity authorized to conduct business in Virginia. So here, let me show you. So here, these are the very popular, that is a Zenbook, and same with this is a Taylor brand and legal Zoom. And as you can see here, $0 option available, free business plan included, an Amazon gift card, and their own benefits. You can just get it from them, right? If you want, you can just check out this complete website and you will get a complete idea. Now after that, once you do this here, complete and file the article of organization, which you can see this here, right? LLC 1011 with the Virginia State Corporation Commission. These documents officially establish your LLC. The filing fees is around $100, and you can submit the form online or through a email. And EIN is necessary for your tax purpose and can be obtained from the IRS either online or by mail. While not required by Virginia law, an operating agreement outlines the management structure and operating procedures of your LLC, which can help prevent disputes among your members. Depending on your business activities, you may need to register with the Virginia Department of Taxation for the sales tax or other tax. If you form your LLC in this year, 2024, you must file a beneficial ownership information (BOI) report within 90 days of your article of organization approval. This requirement is part of federal regulation aimed at increasing transparency. And here I've also mentioned some additional consideration. You can just read it. And if you found this video, this information really very beneficial, then also make sure to like this video, subscribe.